With the coronavirus spreading around the world now, scientists are trying to figure out how it first started. Many think it came from bats, but they say humans are actually to blame for the spread. CNN's Nick Payton-Walsh has more on how our impact on the environment may drive this spillover of diseases.
We live in extraordinary times. True well before coronavirus. The Amazon aflame, Australia's skies clogged with forest fire smoke that seemed to swallow a way of life. And now a pandemic tearing up daily norms, which may also have been caused by human choices and behaviour. Did this coronavirus originate in bats? Scientists can't yet be sure, but they've seen similar in Chinese horseshoe bats, not these ones being tested in South Africa. Yet even if that's the case, bats have dealt with many viruses for years. They have a high metabolism and temperature when they fly, and that often keeps these infections in check. That's until they, or where they live, comes under stress.
We believe that the impact of stress on bats would be much the same as it would be on other mammals, including people. And that is that it would allow any infections to increase and to be excreted, to be shed. You can think of it as if people get stressed and they're infected with the cold sore virus, they often will get a cold sore. So that's the virus being expressed. And this can happen in bats too. It's easy to point the finger at the host species, but actually it's the way we interact with them due to habitat encroachment, due to increased hunting.
Experts point to shipping bats near other animals in so-called wet markets in China. This one in Wuhan believed to be the epicenter, where stressed animals transfer diseases easily to each other and then maybe humans. And there's a term for this that you're going to have to get familiar with. It's changed our lives. It's called zoonotic transfer or spillover.
The underlying causes of zoonotic spillover from bats or from other wild species is almost always, in fact, I think it's always been shown to be human behaviours, human activities that are causing this.
In the past, people infected by animals in remote places would die or recover before they could spread it. Today, they can get on a plane to a different city that night.
We've got so many humans, so that any kind of spillover that might have happened in the past is magnified by the fact that there's so many of us and we're so well connected. So it's not okay to transform a forest into agriculture without understanding what that impact has on climate, carbon storage, on disease emergence, on flood risk and flood defences, on climate resilience. You can't do those things in isolation without thinking about all the things that ecosystem provides to humans.
A cost we are quickly realising now. Nick Payton-Walsh, CNN, London.
Thank you so much for watching CNN Newsroom. I'm Natalie Allen. Stay safe.